Have you ever felt out of sync, like something inside you was off? Even if nothing seemed wrong physically. What if your body, like a musical instrument, was simply out of tune? And what if sound could help bring you back into harmony? In today's video, we explore the fascinating work of Eileen Day McKusick and her groundbreaking book, Tuning the Human Biofield. She discovered that specific areas of the field resonate with certain emotional memories, like grief, fear, or stress. It's like a backup drive for your soul, recording everything your mind can't handle in real time. Where the sound gets dull or chaotic, that's where your energy is blocked. They hold the fork there, letting the tone stay until the energy smooths out. It's like ironing out a wrinkle in your frequency. The sound tells your system, this isn't you anymore, let it go. And slowly the body and energy field realign. It's a healing process that's vibrational, yet deeply emotional and real. Over time, these distortions in your field start to manifest as physical or emotional illness. And just like a computer can crash with a power surge, our energy field can get scrambled by stress, trauma, and emotion. When they play together in harmony, it's music to your ears. This emotional residue doesn't just disappear. It gets stored in our biofield, subtly affecting our energy and well-being. Tuning our biofield clears out the energetic clutter that's been weighing us down. This process allows us to shed old emotional patterns and make room for new, healthier ones. Eileen McKusick's work delves deep into understanding how sound interacts with our body's energy field. Through her research, she discovered that different frequencies have the ability to unlock and release these trapped emotions. Eileen McKusick's work provides a roadmap for anyone wanting to tune their body. Your breath is the bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind. By focusing on your breath, you can access your body's innate healing abilities. Imagine your breath as a wave crashing into the shore. Just as the wave rhythmically crests and falls over and over, your breath flows in and out, creating a natural cadence. As you become attuned to this rhythm, you start to feel more connected to your body and its energy. You are a complex web of energy, emotion, and consciousness. Tuning the human biofield is not about ignoring the physical aspects of our being, but about recognizing the profound connection between mind, body, and spirit. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and tuning into the extraordinary potential that lies within you. But if some instruments are out of tune or missing, the music becomes dissonant and Start by paying attention to your breath, seeking harmony in music, embracing silence, being mindful of your thoughts, and most importantly, listening to your inner voice. As you tune in, you'll discover a deeper sense of connection, not only to yourself, but to the world around you. Listening to music in 432 Hz or 528 Hz can help harmonize your energy field. Think of these frequencies as tuning forks that resonate within your body. As you listen, these frequencies penetrate your being, releasing tension and bringing about a sense of calm. Your body speaks to you through intuition, feelings, and bodily sensations. This inner dialogue is your body's way of communicating its needs and guiding you towards balance. It's important to cultivate a deep listening practice where you tune into these inner messages. This is much like an energy imbalance. Just as a musician would fine-tune each instrument, we too can tune our biofield to restore harmony and balance. Taking time for silence and stillness allows you to tune into your body's subtle whispers. It's in these moments of quiet that you can truly listen to the language of your soul. Just as a musician listens intently before playing a note, you too can tune into your inner guidance. As they glide the tuning fork across your skin, they listen intently to the sounds produced. Think of your thoughts and words as seeds planted in the garden of your energy field. Positive, loving thoughts and words blossom into harmonious vibrations, while negative or fearful ones can create discord. Nurture your inner garden with care. Any dullness or chaotic notes indicate areas of your biofield that are out of tune or blocked. These blocked areas often correspond to specific emotions or experiences that have been stored in your body. Here are simple practices you can use today. Breathe consciously. Your breath is your internal frequency. Listen to music in 432 Hz or 528 Hz healing frequencies that harmonize your field. As the sound resonates through your body, it triggers a deep relaxation and lets go of tension that you might not even be aware of. This process is like untangling a knotted rope. Once the knot is loosened, the rope, or in this case, your energy field, can flow freely again. Embrace silence. Let it reveal your inner vibration. Be aware of your thoughts and words. They carry sound, and sound shapes your field. Most importantly, listen inwardly. Your field speaks before your body does. When a note is sharp or flat, it creates dissonance. Similarly, when emotions aren't processed and released, they create imbalances in our energy field. By identifying these off notes, practitioners can pinpoint areas that need attention and focus their tuning efforts where they're most needed. That SY tune in your biofield is so powerful it restores the natural flow of energy before it breaks down into illness. When your field is clear, your physical, emotional, and mental systems function better. We often think of ourselves as separate from nature, but we are intricately connected to the Earth's energy. Trees, mountains, even the air we breathe are all composed of energy. We are part of this grand, energetic tapestry. By tuning these spots with sound, you release those frequencies allow your body to return to coherence. Every cell, tissue, and organ vibrates at its own unique frequency. When these frequencies are in harmony, we feel healthy and balanced. But when they fall out of sync, disease can enter. This is where tuning the human biofield becomes essential. When a tuning fork passes through these zones, the sound changes, revealing stuck or chaotic energy. But with sustained frequency, the field begins to harmonize. It's as if the sound communicates directly with the nervous system, saying, "You're safe now. You can let this go." And the body listens. ULL. Learn how your body has an energetic field of vibrational memory, space, and how tuning it can transform your health, your emotions, and your sense of peace. Stay until the end, and you'll never experience silence the same way again. Modern science acknowledges that we're not just flesh and bone, we're also energy, vibration, and frequency. The biofield is the term used to describe the electromagnetic field surrounding and interpenetrating the human body. It carries your emotional history, stress patterns, and unresolved traumas. Eileen McKusick discovered that this field is not just real, it's readable and tunable. When your biofield becomes disorganized, you feel it. Anxiety, fatigue, chronic tension. But the good news? You can bring it back into balance. Eileen spent over 20 years studying sound therapy and using tuning forks to scan the energetic space around the body. Many physical symptoms begin in the energetic field. Unprocessed emotions, childhood pain, or unresolved conflict get trapped in your biofield like static. In a tuning session, a practitioner scans around your body using a tuning fork. Did you know your heart, brain, and every cell in your body runs on electricity? We are bioelectric beings. You don't need a tuning fork to start tuning your life. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of energy healing and sound therapy. Did you know that everything in the universe is made of energy vibrating at different frequencies? Our bodies are electric by nature. Each instrument represents a different system: your heart, lungs, digestion, and even emotions. Imagine your body as a symphony orchestra. When we encounter stress, trauma, or emotional upheaval, our energy can become fragmented. Think of it like an energetic house cleaning. Just as we declutter our physical spaces to enhance our mood, during a biofield tuning session, skilled practitioners use tuning forks to scan various parts of your body. Imagine each emotion as a note on a musical scale. The tuning fork acts as a key, unlocking the trapped emotions and allowing them to be released. But how does one embark on this journey of self-discovery and healing through biofield tuning? It's easier than you might think. One of the simplest ways to begin tuning yourself is by becoming more aware of your breath. Another powerful tool for tuning your biofield is music. Certain frequencies in music have been shown to have healing properties. However, sometimes silence can be the most potent tuning tool of all. Your thoughts and words carry vibrational energy. By becoming aware of your thoughts and choosing your words wisely, you can shape your biofield. Perhaps the most crucial aspect of tuning your biofield is learning to listen inwardly. Remember, you are more than just a physical body. So are you ready to tune into your body's wisdom? And if you'd like to dive even deeper into the world of energy healing and sound therapy, check out the resources in the description below.